Hello guys, welcome back to Easy Car Detailing. As you see yourself, we've been doing this last 2 days. It's lovely Bentley. We've been doing protection details. So again, completely decontamination of the paint, 2-stage polish, and seal it with a ceramic coating in the end. So guys, we prepared this vehicle. First of all, what we did preparation, completely decontamination of all vehicle with a clay bar, safe bucket wash with the wheels, alloys and body of the vehicle, completely lychee, strip down all the dirt, prepare for the polishing. After we did first stage polish, get rid of the swirl marks, scratches, and second stage polish was refining the paint. So we have this lovely glossy paint. And after that we seal it with a ceramic coating for 3 months. Then we move inside, we did wet and dry mats. As you see yourself, we go everywhere, the edges, everything been done, stripped down from dust and decontamination with the steamer. After that, we feed this lovely leather with the leather conditioner. It's beautiful, beautiful smell. Comment below which car you want me to do next, guys. Thank you. Like and subscribe. Thank you.